In today's video, I'll teach you how to deploy a Lovable app on Netlify. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in app.netlify.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Netlify. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here you'll be able to import the project from Git. But first of all, what you have to do is simply go to new tab. Click on the search bar and simply search for Lovable. After you do that, make sure you're logged into your account and open the project that you want to import. You can see over here I've already opened it. Now you'll be able to connect this project with Git. For that, what you have to do is simply click on this icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for Connect GitHub. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to connect the project. Right now, I've already connected my account. If you haven't connected your account, over here, you'll be able to find the option for Connect Account. Click on it, go through the prompts and you'll be able to connect the account. After you connect the account, you'll be able to connect the project too. Simply click on this option, Connect Project, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to select the GitHub organization. Simply click on your organization. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Click on this option, Transfer Anyway. Now after you do that, you can see over here the project will be connected. Now after the project has been connected, go back to the Netlify tab. Now in the Netlify tab, what you have to do is click on this option, Import from Git. Now you'll be able to deploy your project. You'll be able to find several options over here. Click on this option, GitHub. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all your projects over here. Simply click on the Lovable project that you want to deploy. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is fill in some details. First of all, click on the field of team. Now after you do that, you'll be able to select the team over here. Also enter the project name. Make sure the project name is available. Now simply scroll down. Now you'll also have to adjust the build settings. Right over here, you'll be able to find the field for branch to deploy. Simply click on it. Now click on the option of your choice. Now you'll also have to enter the base directory over here. Simply click on it. Now enter the base directory over here. Now after you do that, also enter the build command. Now scroll down. Now you'll be able to find the field for publish directory and functions directory over here. Also fill in these details. Now scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for environment variables. If you want to add the environment variables, you can simply click on this field and add it. Now after you're done adjusting the build settings, what you have to do is simply click on this option, deploy. Now once you do that, the Lovable project will be deployed with Netlify. You can see over here it has been deployed. So that is how you deploy a Lovable app in Netlify. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.